Hey YouTube, Spider G back here. I'm gonna be opening this up, disassembling, cleaning the QSP Penguin button lock flipper studs. It's 14C, so just wanna make sure it's running good. This is actually a really good knife, actually. The Penguin and a period is a good knife. Except for these T6s, but they're deep, and that's what's cool. At least they're deep. Shallow screws can give you a big problem. So when you take it off, this would usually go fine, but since you're taking it off this way and you're not allowing it to spring out somewhere and lose it. But I'll go ahead and put that to the side. The detent is good. I'm not even gonna mess with it. But what I found interesting is this is on multi-row bearings, which is pretty good. Pretty cool. Just trying to get that out of there. Yeah, and tolerances are pretty good on this knife. Can't even get this pivot out without some struggle. Okay. Alright. Got to bring out the big guns, alright. Alright. Let's push you through. Get your bearing good over there. Don't need that anymore. Okay. Alright. Keep all my parts together. My plunge system. Alright. Yeah. Let's grab some alcohol pads. Clean this bad mama gem up. Good. Nice and clean. So fresh and so clean. Alright. These bearings. Yeah, they're dirty a little bit, but we'll clean them right up. Alright. Drill. There it is. Okay. Felt it. I felt it come loose, the stop pin. So I'm like, alright. Good to go. Yeah, buddy. That is tight. Good job, QSP. Good job. Okay, so let's go ahead and all right. Get this guy back in here. Okay. Get to the finicky parts. But it doesn't have to be. Okay. I'm gonna lift this up and sort of lift it up. I don't know why this all of a sudden turned into a tutorial, but all I do is I get it in between there, and then it's in, and then that will keep that in place. You put the spring right on top. It's very, very simple. It does require some patience, because these little things, these micro parts, they could get tedious, but once everything comes together, it's beautiful. All right, so let's make sure everything's good there. Everything's good. Let's go ahead and line up the spring, the hole, my pivot, and my pillars virtually the same time. I'm seated, no gaps. All right, that was very simple for a plunge lock, and they're not difficult, but they could be tedious, like I said. But just take your time at it, and everything will work out. Let me go ahead and back this out. Put these body screws back in. Think. Snug on that. Alright. That's just a tight screw. My fingers are slippery from the KPL, so. Just snug. Get you down. Okay. Alright. Let's go ahead and chewed up my T6. That's okay. That was a very easy tear down of the QSP Penguin. This is 14C with the flipper. What's acting as a detent is right on. Studs are good. It feels like an actual detent. Straight centered. Multi-row bearings in there. Back it off a little bit so it free swings a little bit. Yeah, very good. I actually wanted to use this one today. That's why I was wanting to make sure it's all in order. Gotta go in the back and cut up some things. But yeah, that'll do it. I think that's good. Everything's good. Everything's centered. Everything's clean and ready to go to work. This thing is on purposes. Very sharp, ready to go. Alright, so that was the teardown, maintenance, disassembly of the QSP Penguin. A plunge lock, flipper, 14C G10, ambidextrous carry. Good job, QSP. Alright, that's going to do it for me, Spider G. If you found this interesting, please give me a like, sub, comment, share. That'd be nice. Other than that, have fun, stay safe. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out. Bye.